I have this plastic egg tray that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to flip it so the bottom is facing up, and I'm going to spray paint it using my Krylon Shortcuts spray paint in the color white. I did find the spray paint grabbed nicely, and I did give it 2 coats. Once everything was fully dry, I flipped it back over, and I have some of this reindeer moss. And I have these plastic decorative eggs I found from Christmas Tree Shop. There were 6 in a pack. They're already pre-painted, and they're almost like little egg ornaments. I'm going to pull the top string right out of the egg, and I'm going to glue the moss on the inside of where the egg lays, and then I'll glue the egg down inside the holder. Now, I did find it was easier just to put some glue around where the egg sits and then place the moss just around the edges because I kind of wanted to make sure that that was sticking out when you lay the egg down. I went around the entire egg dish until each holder was covered. Now, I do wish that I put the floral egg in between the 2 striped eggs, but that's okay. You can create any pattern with any plastic egg of your choice. Next, I have this paper plate. It had a circle in the center of it, and it's just the exact size I needed, so I just cut that out. And I'm going to paint that with some Wise Owl goldenrod. Now, you can use any material. You can use a piece of wood, but I just wanted something that was the same size as the center of the dish. I'm going to lay my blue painter's tape down. This is just going to hold my letters in place. And I'm going to spell out Happy Easter. You could pick any word or saying of your choice. You could just do welcome. And I'm going to spray paint those with the black. Then I have this small little bunny cut out. I got it in a pack from Dollar Tree, and I spray painted that white. Now, once my circle was dry, I'm going to add some hot glue to the back side, and I'll place that down in the center of the dish. I'm then going to go around the inside circle, and I'm going to just line it with this thick jute that I found from Dollar Tree, and this is just going to kind of give the edge of the circle and the dish a finished look. And when I got to the end, I just clipped off the extra jute. Next, I'm going to take my Happy Easter and I'm going to place it on the inside circle area. And I'm going to kind of make my words curve a little bit. And then I will glue the bunny in the center of the Happy Easter. I found these pre-made bows, I believe, at my local dollar store. I love the colors in them, and they just happen to match this perfectly. So I'm just going to glue that at the top here. And you can even glue the tails of the bow down onto the eggs just so that they're kind of in place and they're not moving around too much. Then as my hanger, I just flipped it to the back side. I'm going to cut a piece of jute, lay it in between 2 of the egg holders, and then just add some hot glue. Now, if you put a good amount of hot glue and just let it fully dry, this holds pretty well. You do need quite a bit. And there you go. Now we just have this fun, easy, Happy Easter wreath or shelf sitter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.